So after that, when I went to General Aniline and Film, they were working on plastics, and they were working on plastics that could be of possible use in wartime. And
what type of plastics?
Well, what this General Aniline and Film was run by the Army, and they wanted a plastic that could be hit and with something pretty hard, and then it would stand up to it. But most importantly, if you hit it with a bullet, the bullet would go through it, but the plastic, the rest of the plastic, except where the bullet will be intact. So actually what they told us is that the planes that were going to be made would be flying at such speeds that the plastic that was made by Roman Haas of Philadelphia would melt and get soft. So they wanted a plastic that could stand up to about 120 degrees centigrade, whereas Roman Haas started getting soft at 100 degrees. The work was wanted by the Air Force because they felt that the friction of the faster planes would cause the regular plastic to soften. So we worked on that about, I guess it took us almost 7 years working on that to develop a plastic that would stand up to 120 degrees centigrade. And after we developed it, the problem was to get a transparent sheet of this material. And what we had to do, we got this product that we made, and it had to be placed between glass, special glass that had to be absolutely clean, and you would pour this material between the glass sheets, and when the product we made hardened, you would remove it from the glass sheets and you would have a perfect, level, clear plastic. There was one hitch though. The hitch was that when you poured it between this plastic, glass, it would set up. And after it was cured, it would stick to the glass so firmly that when it set up, it usually cracked the glass. So the product then was to develop a plastic for the Air Force that wouldn't do it. But the main problem, we used the material that we developed, but we had to get something on that glass that would be clear and would allow the plastic to release from the glass. After a lot of work, we finally developed a product that would do that. Now, you got to understand, this product was asked for by the Air Force, which is located in Dayton, Ohio. And in fact, I'd gone there and given a couple talks on what progress we were making. But anyway, after we got this developed, the Army set a price on how much it cost to develop. I'd done all the work, and I was like an observer of this general in the Army, and this, I don't know what rank, maybe he was a general in the Air Force. And when the Army general told them what the bill was, they wanted to know how come it was so high. I mean, you know, that would have taken, you know, days to explain all of that. And so neither one of them left very happy. The Army man stood his ground.